we're going on a search. We're going on a search for FSA prep materials so we don't end up, spending all of our money on some teachers pay teachers thing when we already have it. So the first place we're going to search, if we were a returning teacher, is probably in our Google Drive or our OneDrive, and we're going to be looking up FSA or FCAT or whatever it is that we happen to have still. So let's see, what can I find? Oh, I have a Jeopardy here. So the Jeopardy game. It's like, oh, I remember using this. Okay. So I have a Jeopardy game. Let's see what else I can find. FCAT practice. Oh, that one's empty. Okay, so let's look at. Let's see what else we could find. Word sorts, FCAT practice. FCAT prep answer keys. Oh, that's empty. Okay, so let's see. FCAT. FSA used to be called FCAT a long time ago. Let's look in this one. Okay, that one's empty too. All right, so, oh, here's a test book. The good thing about test books I like is I can print these, I can cut these up, and I can do not a mixed pair share anymore, but like maybe I have, who has. So I can do games, I can do maybe four corners very carefully, and I can do use some of these items. So look in your Google Drives, look in your folders, see what you can find for, what we have saved, what we've had saved for years. So here's algebra 1. There are, let's see what I can find, ELA practice books, practice test, scripts, filling in, how to fill in all that stuff. Here's the countdown, the pacing. So there's a lot of FSA countdowns. A lot of us have them in our drives, in our folders somewhere. So this kind of goes over the countdown, which ones you use each day, how you break it down, how you can add it into your lesson plan already, or maybe you're doing like FSA Wednesday. And then, let's see. So let's write out countdown. Let's see what we find for countdown. Here we go. So a lot of people have 40-day countdowns. So see who on your team has a 40-day countdown for their grade level. So this is 40-day countdowns. It has them practice. This could be morning work, end of the day work. This could be like the tutoring that's happening in your room while everyone's going to dismissal. Work on this. Some things I found in my office. Old coach books. This is a math one. Looks like it hasn't been used yet. I can make copies. I could, again, cut them up, print them up. I found a reading 6th grade one. So maybe you're teaching 5th grade or 6th grade and you're using the 6th grade curriculum. Found a measuring up book. Let's see what else. I found an old buckle down book. This is from like back in FCAT. So some of this stuff may or may not be on the standards, but some of this may be in your room. It may be on a back shelf somewhere. It's kind of written in. There's some fraction stuff. This could be good for Saturdays or tutoring or before school. Be like, oh, you want to stay till the end of dismissal? You can do some practice. So I have some of that. This one was like a sample, some sample book that I found. So you know what? It's a sample book. Let's use it. Let's do this. So I can print that. Here's an assessment one. Different ones. Here's a getting ready for FSA one I found on my shelf. Oh, look, it says standards-based assessments. So each standard and what it goes with. Oh, I like that. That makes it so much easier. Here's a reading one. No, this is math. This is still math. This is a different grade. So I found this. Standards-based. Awesome. I found some files. Mixed it with the books. So the grids. Teaching the kids how to do these grids. Morning work. Morning work. And the science ones. If you haven't seen the science ones, I found the everyday math one, the Math Master. I don't even use this anymore. Use this for FSA prep. I found some other ones. I found some old FCAT ones. Reading Adventure. This is our curriculum at the very end of the year, but we could use it now. Here's the 6th grade ones.